सर पर बहनों की विदाएं हैं।
हिम्मत के लिए हमरा माओ की दुआएं हैं।
रहमत की तरह सर पर बहनों की रिदाएं हैं।
हिम्मत के लिए हमरा माओ की दुआएं हैं।
हम पर रब
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Atika Ali. I read in class grade 7. I got the opportunity to present here a model in front of you people. This model is about a human heart. A human heart is a muscular pump which has 4 chambers. Two at the top called atrium and two at the bottom called ventricles. Both the chambers are separated from each other through veins. Veins are blood vessels which carry blood to arteria.
दुआएं हैं।
हम पर रब का एहसान, हम पर रब का एहसान।
हम जिंदा कौम है, आइंदा कौम है। हम जिंदा कौम है, आइंदा कौम है।
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Atika Ali. I read in grade 6. I am student of Lighthouse School System. I have my project of rainwater harvesting. In this project, there are 3 steps. Number first, storing water. Water falls on the roofs of houses, buildings, etc. Number second, filtering water. Water passes through filters to remove leaves and dust, dirt, etc. Number third, collecting water. Water can be collected in tanks for future use, and in future we can use this water for gardening, farming, and also for drinking. Thank you.
हम सबकी है पहचान, हम सबका पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, पाकिस्तान। हम सबका पाकिस्तान।
Global warming means our temperature is rising due to the increase of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the planet to warm up. Global warming is caused by pollution from cars, cutting down trees, burning coal, oil, and gas. These release greenhouse gases that trap heat in the air. How can we help? Plant more trees, use bicycle, save electricity. Global warming is a big problem, but we can stop it. Small action can make a big difference. Let's protect our planet together. Burning coal, oil, and gas greenhouse gases that trap heat in the air.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Aisha Noor and I read in class grade 6. I'm a student of Lighthouse School System, Dage. Today I present the model of water purification. Water purification is the process unwanted like chemical bacteria suspend solid and gases from the water. Let's do the experience.
रहमत की तरह सर पर बहनों की विदाएं हैं।
हिम्मत के लिए हमरा माओ की दुआएं हैं।
रहमत की तरह सर पर बहनों की रिदाएं हैं।
हिम्मत के लिए हमरा माओ की दुआएं हैं।
हम पर रब
And good morning. My name is Anika Riaz. I read in grade 7 and I am a student of Lighthouse School System. Today I got the opportunity to present here a model in front of you. This model is about human respiratory system. The human respiratory system is responsible for exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between body and environment. It allows us to inhale oxygen, which is essential oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide, a waste product of metabolism.
ये खित्ता इनकलाबी है, नई दुनिया बसाएगा।
अंधेरों को मिटाएगा, उजाला बन के छाएगा। ये खित्ता इनकलाबी है, नई दुनिया बसाएगा।
My name is Ishar Kadeem and I read in grade 5. I am student of Lighthouse School System, Dage campus. I am going to present the model of air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful gases, smoke and chemicals mix with the air caused by vehicles, factories and cutting down trees. It leads breathing problems, heart disease, global warming and acid rains.
I read in class grade 6. I am student of Lighthouse School System, Dage campus. Today I am presenting the model of solar power irrigation. Solar power irrigation system is an innovative and sustainable solution that uses solar energy to power irrigation system, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and minimizing environmental impacts.
हमें जो है फॉसल फ्यूल्स को इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए। फॉसल फ्यूल्स की जगह हमें सोलर एनर्जी या वाइंड एनर्जी को इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। ये जो पेट्रोल पंप है तो पेट्रोल की जगह कार सोलर एनर्जी से चार्ज हो रहा है। ये सोलर पावर्ड हाउस है, ये सोलर पैनल्स है, ये सूरज से रोशनी एनर्जी लेकर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करता है, फिर इसके थ्रू हम इरिगेशन करते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट और एक्सपीरियंस।
निदा कायद की है इकबाल का इल्हाम पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान,
मेरा इनाम पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान।
And good morning. My name is Aska. I read in grade 6. I am the student of the Lighthouse School System Dage. Today I am representing the model of waste management. Waste management is instead to reduce the environmental effect of waste on human health. The aims of waste management is that to reduce the dangerous effect of waste on human health. There are 5 principles of waste management. Their names are refuse, reuse, reduce, recycle and rot. This is plastic.
माओ की दुआएं हैं,
रहमत की तरह सर पर बहनों की रिदाएं हैं।
हिम्मत के लिए हमरा माओ की दुआएं हैं।
हम पर
I am Abira Amir. I read in grade 5 today. I am the student of the Lighthouse School System Dage. I will present to you the model of circuit. Circuit is a closed path through which electricity flows. A circuit needs sources of electricity which is such as a battery for electrons to flow. The path